The next group of preferences we'll discuss can be found under the Interface tab. In this section, we can personalize the Lightroom interface to suit our needs. Endmarks will place a small graphic at the bottom of the panel group on the left side of the interface as shown here. We can change the font size of all the text on our interface. Keep in mind that after changing this value, you'll only see the effect after the program has restarted. The same goes for the screen color, which can be changed to black, dark gray, medium gray, and so on. We can adjust the default dim level, and we'll work with dim level later on. It'll be easier to show you exactly what it does when we're working in the modules. Basically, it dims the entire background behind an image. There's a few additional options here under the background heading. Since we need to restart the program to see its effects, you can go ahead and play around with the values until you achieve the desired result. We'll work with keywords later in this course, but for now, know that you can set the separation of keywords using either commas or spaces. Just make sure you do leave it as commas because that's what we'll be using throughout the course. And now that we've covered the important configuration settings, at least for the beginning of the course, I'll go ahead and close the Preferences panel down.